Blizzard of 2021, let's go.
That's not as windy as it was. Oh man, it's got snow. Oh man, that's deadly. Whoa. I gotta start digging. Oh man. I don't know about this. Dude, watch for your phone.
This is what we gotta do. Okay.
It's some hardcore shit, man.
Dude, that's your car, just like...
Oh, now this is gonna take
Dude,
forever.
oh my god. I had to just shit
This is like
my
one.
parents, like, what we're doing was out
Alright, here's your gym credit.
Oh yeah, gym credit, that's right.
there. Film it and be like, send it in and be like, look, I
So, what's up?
no, you're fine.
Get a good shot. Oh man.
That's enough.
Bro, what the fuck, man?
Alright. I think we got to the coal clear.
You cannot escape.
Kind of. Oh, jeez. God damn. I'm taking shots.
At the behind Safeway right now.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, it kind of hurts a little bit.
Yeah, and then have fun walking back.
You know.
I really don't
It's no
want to.
We tried backing it up, and it didn't quite get out. So we're back at shoveling. Been at this for like 20 minutes now. People snowboarding over there. I think he's gonna try to back up again.
Where's my third point mother snowball?
He's trying to juggle snow. Oh man.
Goddamn white cars coming through here.
Yeah, what's he doing? Alright. Oh, damn.
I thought he had two-wheel drive.
Two-wheel drive?
Oh,
That's
why was
probably
that
why
wheel
those-
spinning?
Isn't two wheels the front wheels?
I thought he was, if you two-wheel rear, I thought,
Oh shit.
oh shit, you almost got it.
Oh man. Doing it. He's halfway there. Oh boy.
That's why you need snow tires.
Yeah. I bet he doesn't have any snow chains in there. Or tire chains. Well, at least kind of flattened out the roots a little bit. That guy's having no problem.
Alright, ready?
Alright, let's see you juggle.
Oh wait, he's doing it.
Goodness.
We need to pull from the back.
I don't know if that's gonna work. Oh, jeez.
Momentum is key. Keep the momentum.
Yes, he's turning the wrong way.
Oh my god.
Kind of did it. He's turning us in the wrong direction. But,
Yeah.
I mean,
Dude, how's he gonna get back? He's all slipping all over the place. Oh, okay.
Holy shit!
yeah.
Wait, what is that?
Well,
What's
you-
that noise? Are you leaking?
What's that noise?
Why is there air pressure coming out?
What the fuck?
Look, you hear that? What the fuck is that? What is that noise?
It's inside.
Oh, okay. That's a big deal.
Alright. Nice. Dang. Oh, he's still. Oh, he's backing up. We have to get all the way.
Oh!
Get it. Guess he's not going to.
Yeah, I mean, we'll go to that man's market after this.
Alright.
Did you cut everything on camera?
Yeah.
Oh, send it to me later, man.
Yeah,
That show was quality, man.
I'm gonna make a video of this.
Okay, I'm going, dude. Someone outside there, anyways. Yeah, look at that sun, bro. Yeah, look at that.
Completely.
You can't see where you're driving. Holy fuck. Hey, at least they paused some of the street, you know?
Yeah. Dude, I'm so happy they cancel all the online classes.
Wait, tomorrow?
Yeah.
They did?
Yeah.
So no more, like 262 tomorrow?
Nope.
Hell yeah!
Damn right.
They even cancel online school?
Yeah.
How?
They just say if campus is closed, the Zoom ones will cancel also.
Hey,
Remote classes will cancel too.
make sure it's good over to that side of the hill.
One.
I ain't fucking risking this shit. Yeah, I can't believe I made it, bro. I can't believe it. It was like grinding and shit.
Good, stay calm.
Alright, okay. Nice focus power. Ready?
No. You have any? You gotta get some title teams, dude.
I know.
I guess that works.
If that works, it works, man.
We made it. Move the coal.
Hey.
Like it gets stuck. Yeah, it's not moving any well.
I'm gonna like help the back a little bit and get the front a little bit.
Yeah, now the snow shine.
Alright, we're done, man. We're done.
Did it. Congratulations, dude.
So tomorrow when I show it, it's like it's still easy having like little slot on like the front, little slot on the back.
You're actually going to the post office still?
Dude, probably not, man. I hope they fucking like send that shit. I'd rather walk it, dude.
Yeah.
I'd rather fucking walk. So I wouldn't even like make it to here if like the tire is deflating.
Yeah,
I
probably
feel
not.
like the engine is overheating. Oh! The snow entered into like the engine and like it's like evaporating like the snow.
Oh, maybe. Isn't the engine over there?
I mean, it's an electric car, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe there's like a front engine that back there's like a battery or some
Wait,
shit.
electric, it takes gas.
What?
Oh, wait, yeah, no.
It takes both.
Yeah, okay.
I don't know.
Alright, whatever. We'll deal with it later. Let's just go back.
Yeah, if this shit like deflates, I'll just call my dad, man.
That'll
Fuck this.
be interesting.
Let me get my shovel.
Oh, yeah. We made it.
This is like